Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Some people are saying that I've disappeared. I've not. I'm back. But today we've got a car that has already been on the channel, which is this Seat Leon, and we've got my Seat Leon. But today is a bit of a sad video, so let's roll the intro and I'll tell you all about the video today.
Came back with a click clack, and a ting that's it, that's fresh like a tic tac. Any pagan ops that I rip down.
Obviously, it's been a very long time. Let me run through the car. I've done a few things to the car. Obviously, I put new tires at the front. I've put a rear spoiler, which this owner is very jealous of. Let's show him the rear spoiler. Yeah, man. It's all about the angles now. Obviously this car hasn't got it, unfortunately, but it's a sad day because that red Seat Leon, my Seat Leon, is sold. Yeah, so I've actually sold the car, and the reason being is because I've got quite a few cars which are still parked up and I'm not using, and I got a really good offer on that car, so I decided to part ways with the Leon. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take it for a quick final drive, but before that, this is a DSG, that's a manual. We're gonna rev them up. That's got a Hornet exhaust, mine standard, and we'll let you listen to that and then we'll go for our drive. Jump into that one. Let us know in the comments which sounds better, that or that. Right, so the final drive of the Seat Leon 2-litre tfsi BWA engine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just quickly talk about how this car has been in my ownership. And like I mentioned, BWA engine was the same engine I had on my Mk2 Golf GTI, and this car, alhamdulillah, has given me no problems. I have maintained it really well, and I've always said that obviously if you look after your car will look after you. Oil changes, you know, every 6 months I've done an oil change on it. Oil pickup pipe has been cleaned, diverter valve has been changed, and tires, and just taking care of the car. It's, you know, it's been very reliable for me. Scotland, London, numerous numbers of times I've been in this car, and it's obviously not been a problem. Go on then. Obviously we've got mod wise, we've got the induction kit in, we've got a blow off valve in. I was going to do an exhaust, but obviously it's not happened. I've kept it standard. It burbles a bit on a cold start. other than that, what more can I say about the car? I think it's been one of the best cars I've owned. Obviously it's a shame that it's red and the paint fades, but I have recently got it all buffed out and it's actually bought the paint back, so it's not been too bad. Other than that, like I said, the car's been fantastic for me and I have really loved and enjoyed this car thoroughly. So let's listen to that induction kit. I also recently changed the spark plugs, which has actually helped the car, like even on idle, is very smooth. Let's do a quick pull once the lights change. Right, so there you have it, the final drive of my Leon. We gave you a rev of both cars as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there. I just want to say that car has been an absolute pleasure to own and drive. It served me well, but obviously all good things come to an end and we're gonna move it on. Still, obviously stay tuned to the YouTube channel, because what's coming next? Question. But for now, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Take care, and I will see you on the next video.